Golden Generation. Indonesia is expected to experience the golden age in the 100th year of Indonesian independence, which will take place in 2045. In 2045, it's hoped that there will be change for the Indonesian people in the fields of economy, education, technology, and other fields for the better during this golden period. The 2045 Golden Generation is the government vision to build and develop sovereign, intelligent, just, prosperous, modern, and characterize the country. The Golden Generation is the next generation who will determine the future and integrity of the Indonesian nation. The Golden Generation consists of young people who are full of optimism and passion to move forward. A generation with an attitude and mindset based on solid and correct moral with a brilliant vision for the future. This Golden Generation is expected to have adequate competence, strong character, high intelligence, and be competitive. The future of this nation and the world belong to the younger generation. Therefore, the nation will become advanced if there is sincerity from our older generation to make the younger generation smarter and more virtuous than the previous generation. In 2045, our residents of productive age are expected to become the golden generation, namely the generation that has national solid insight, also has quality attitudes, mindset, and concept with intelligent, productive, creative, innovative, and futuristic insight. So, it can grow responsibility and real contribution to realizing a healthy, peaceful, dignified, and sustainable environment and life completely. Quality human resource and mastering knowledge and technology are expected to make Indonesia known as one of the world's economic power. The Indonesian goals and dreams for the 2045 are sovereign, advanced, just, and prosperous, for us to be supported by four pillars that support it, namely development of human resource and mastery of science and technology, sustainable economic development, equitable development, strengthening of the national resilience and governance.
The four pillars are built on Pancasila, the 1945 Constitution, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, and the unitary state of the Republic of Indonesia as the basis of the nation and state and the Constitution to protect the entire Indonesian nation and the entire homeland of Indonesia and to promote public welfare, education the nation's life, and participate in carrying out our tasks. The world based on freedom, lasting peace, and social justice. To prepare for the rise of the golden generation, it is necessary to develop education in the future perspective, namely to create a quality, advanced, independent, and modern nation society, and increase the dignity of the nation. The young generation must be informed to have a strong character to build their nation and country, have a high personality, the spirit of nationalism, have a competitive spirit, be able to understand knowledge and technology so that they can compete globally. Indonesia's human development must be supported by adequate population control policies, which aim to maintain a balance between population growth and distribution. In addition to controlling population growth, an even distribution of the population must be carried out so that it is not concentrated in certain centers of economic development. The urbanization rate must be reduced. Population policies must be implemented in line with policies for equitable economic development and decentralization. These problems can be solved together with collaboration in various fields, especially in the fields of education and culture. Therefore, quality education must continue to be pursued by all parties. Education personnel are one of the keys to helping create a golden generations. They are peers, agents of change who can help produce religious, intelligent, productive, reliable, and comprehensive human researches through excellent learning service for the student so that they can help realize the golden generation of 2045.
Education is held democratically, fairly, and is not discriminatory by upholding human rights, religious values, cultural values, and national pluralism. Therefore, the education and culture of the Indonesian nation must be strengthened, especially by strengthening the culture of schools and campuses to build the character of the younger generation. With wider access and high quality of education accompanied by strengthening the culture of school and campuses, it is hoped that the quality of Indonesian human resource will be better, more able to manage the opportunities and resources we have to awaken the golden generation of Indonesians to advance the nation and state with dignity and respect, respected by other nations and countries in the world. The golden generation is expected to be able to bring reform and progress to the Indonesian state. Therefore, the government must also strive to be able to successfully manage human resources fairly so that the hopes and objectives of the information for the golden generation can have a positive effect on the progress of the country. The younger generation also need to pay attention that they have a function as agents of change, moral force, and social control so that this function can be useful for the development of the country in 2045. Resolving the 2045 golden generation is not an easy job to turn the palm of your hand, but it doesn't mean it's impossible to achieve. The 2045 golden generation is the fine force is building the Indonesian nation into a great, advanced, glorious, and dignified nation. Managing the golden generation will be the biggest challenge for the Indonesian nation because the extraordinary number of productive age population is a very valuable demographic defined bonus. We all hope that as the next generation of the nation will become the roots of the Indonesian nation in the future. Hopefully, all of us will be able to realize the vision and national goals of the nation in the future.